Hi my viewer, today I am going to discuss about the Carnatic War. Okay, so please stay connected with me, and in the last you will be able to explain about this war clearly. So please, so you know that very well occurred in three phases. First 1746 to 48, second 49 1749 to 54, and the third and the last started in 1757 to 63. Okay, so but I would like to tell you about the regions behind the Carnatic Wars. Okay, so actually it started when the king of Habsburg Empire died in 1740, and the queen wanted to take charge, but France opposed this and said they would not allow a lady to take charge. And on that time, actually, Persia, Saxony, and many other territories favored France, but Britain favored Austria. So the war began in 1740 and ended without any conclusion in 42, and also began second time in 1744 and ended again without any conclusion in 1745. Okay, and the last one later in 1755. So after these wars, when Britishers couldn't get success, they tried to provoke them in India. Okay, so they, please wait for a minute. So Britishers SEIZED seized their fleet of ships. Okay, Britain, France attacked it, Madras, and captured. Okay, that war is known as the first Carnatic War in India, but and for the world actually you can say, but this was just the extended version of third, yeah, you can say that the Austrian War of Succession. Okay, and but this what the feature of this war, the conclusion, this war ended with the conclusion. This war was this war was ended with conclusion. The Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. Okay, and what is this treaty? Actually, according to this treaty, Queen will be rule over Austria, and France will return Madras to Britain, and France will get North America to rule. Okay, and after this treaty, they both signed, and the war was ended in 1748. But you know what? The first Carnatic War was an eye opener for the Britishers or Europeans, because I would also like to tell you a story that the real incident. You know who was the Indian ruler who ruling the Carnatic region? Anwaruddin. Okay, the founder of Carnatic region was Sahadatullah Khan, and after his dismissal, Dost Ali become the Nawab of Carnatic region. But after his death, and Anwaruddin Khan become the Nawab of Carnatic region. Okay, and when British are said to Anwaruddin Khan to help them, and said France to return their territories, and when Anwaruddin Khan ordered Francis, and they were just ignoring his order, then Britishers said to the Anwaruddin Khan that your orders are just the jokes for the Francis, because they are not returning my territories, and this just provoked the Anwaruddin Khan, and Anwaruddin Khan ordered his army chief to send 10,000 army to capture Madras and return to Britishers. But Francis's French 1,000 soldiers defeated their 10,000 soldiers easily, and it just revealed the weakness of Indian army. And the Europeans understood that a small number of army could beat India's large number of army. Okay, so did you like my video? And if you like, please don't forget to share. I need your favor. Have a great day, and please study as much as you can, because this video will also help you to improve your English. And in the next videos, I will discuss about the first Carnatic War and the second Carnatic War and the third Carnatic War, and about the conclusion, about the revolt, about the impact, okay, and what changed after the wars. So favor me. Have a great day again. Thanks a lot.